In New York, I met some old lady, about 75 years old lady. She is old lady or young lady, I don't know. But anyway, her hand, she was accompanied with daughters and sons, family. The complaint is, for past 20 years, more and more she feels pain, arthritis pain. Now all over. She can't tolerate its pain unless taking medication, painkillers. And now recently went into the morphine. And more. And she sit. I ask her, show your hand. Complete chicken hand. Chicken. Becoming hard. Chicken. Her eyes becoming round. Her mouth is moving. I told daughter, is this your mother? Oh, yes. Daughter is something like cow. Drinking milk, eating cheese, cow's food. I told her and children, families, see your mother. Your mother is now chicken. Can't you see? Then they saw, oh. Now first time they recognize mother is changing to chicken. Because mother is eating eggs, mother is eating chickens, right? Etc. I asked that mother, how many times do you eat chicken? Mother said, every day. Chicken soup, chicken. See, he is changing now chicken. Right? Chicken race. Human race now changing chicken. Naturally, of course, body structure change. Right? Body structure change. I asked, don't you feel pain around here? Wing is coming out. She said, yeah, something strange. Or they are changing chickens. She's changing. That is arthritis.